What's up? I'm Rob Anderson from This Magic Moment. If you watch this channel, you probably know who I am. Of course, my magical proposal service is no stranger to being featured on TV shows, but I'm about to show you a TV show that's it's a little different. I was contacted recently by the producers of a show called Love After Lockup, which, if you're not familiar, follows real couples that just got released from prison, or at least one of them just got released from prison. It's kind of like 90 Day Fiancé. Same producers, actually, except instead of meeting on a foreign dating website, they met on a prison dating website. So the producers called me up, told me about this couple, Marcelino and Brittany. Brittany had just been released, and they were ready to take their relationship to the next level. So they wanted me to help Marcelino give her a magical proposal, which I did. We shot a few scenes. It was a lot of fun. Most of it got left on the cutting room floor. It was still a blast. I'm going to show you what happened right now. Here it is. Check it out.
You like magic, baby?
Do I like magic? I mean, it's all right.
2, 3. You guys join in here, too. You come on in here. What's your name?
Marcelino.
Marcelino. That's a cool name.
Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah.
I'm going to guess you guys are together.
He's a mind reader.
We're going to do a little bit of romantic magic.
Do it.
Hold one hand out just like this. I got a card trick I'm going to show you. I've got, we use the 6 of clubs for this. I'm going to hand you this card. Brittany, could you place your hand on top of that card in his hand so you're holding hands? Perfect. Just like that.
Okay.
As you hold that card, I want you to feel that and feel that. Did you feel it happen? We switched the cards. So I've got the 6. Look what you guys have. And you got the heart. Oh! That's okay. Well, thank you.
That's pretty good.
Thank you. So you guys have probably given each other a lot of gifts over the course of your relationship.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a gift you'd like to receive tonight. Maybe there's a gift you'd like to give to her. Marcelino, could you hold your right hand? Hold your right hand out for me. I'd like you to visualize any gift at all that you would like to give to Brittany tonight. I don't know what that is, just picture it. As you picture it, I want you to visualize that coming into reality. Right there.
Oh.